I don't know about you guys, but since I learned N8N automation, there's none project that I have been implemented without integrate N8N into that project. I'm just going to share with you the folder structure that I use for my N8N project that I integrate with a mobile application called GL Recharge. Check it out. So basically, very simple. This is the one of my N8N project that I just do development. First thing that I do, I just create a folder, which is going to be the name of the project for this one called GL Recharge. And then after create a project, I'm going to create a set of the folders that I'm going to organize my workflow. One of the things that I need N8N is to create all the communication that I need to do with the customer. And another thing that I need N8N, I need to run sometimes some jobs on my server side to perform some task or create a report for any reason. So I create a specific folder where I'm going to schedule all my job that's going to call the API that it's going to perform some data change or creation, manipulation on the server side. So I create one folder where I put all those automation. But also for the social media, I do a lot of automation for the social media for my projects. But I have a specific folder where I'm going to put all the social media automation as well. But then I do have an integration API, okay? This some integration API for any third-party tool that I'm using associated with this project. I create a folder where I put all the automation. And then inside of each folder, first I'm gonna create the workflow, okay? So this one, I wanna get your feedback. For most of the time, I will create a workflow for each task that I'm doing. For example, this one is about webhooks. For example, any change that happened on the profile. This is one, for example, when the user complete the profile, I'm going to send email that the profile is complete. So I create a specific workflow for that. And then I'm going to create a workflow for them to email user about the new promotion or anything that's going on with the company. For that email communication, I have a workflow for that. But I want to check, for example, what you do. For example, you can create this all emails communication, and then you're going to create, for example, something like this, a note. You're going to put one of those email communication, like for example here. And then you're going to create another note. Basically, I just copy and paste. And then here, you're going to change the colors to put all automation. For example, this one's going to be about user doesn't want to receive email communication, opt-in, opt-out, we send them confirmation. So all those kind of communication, we send email. But then I want to get your feedback. You create a workflow for